I wanted to kick this video off with a bang. So we are starting with a larger scale project. I'm using 2 of these Ikea Vaulter little wall mounts and also this Torslev, I hope I pronounced that right, rug. And the other supplies I'm going to be using are a hot glue gun, wooden dowel, black spray paint, and some painter's tape. So I'm taking this rug, and I believe this is a 3-foot by 5-foot rug, and I'm going to be taking the top portion and I'm actually going to be folding it over on itself and then hot gluing down just the edge. We're basically creating like a little pocket hole. That way we can stick the wooden dowel through. So just use a strong bond glue. Hot glue worked great. And then I'm using some paper towel and painter's tape to create a diagonal stripe across to this rug. And this is going to be on the bottom section of the rug. Basically, I am masking off the top portion, and we're going to be spraying this with some black spray paint. I actually had to reposition it one time just to get it in the correct position that I wanted it in. And then once you have that, I brought it outside and I used this 2x Rust-Oleum black spray paint that I used in my thrift flip video. And I'm just going to be spraying the entire bottom portion of this rug. Now, since this is going to be a wall hanging, I don't really mind that it's going to be like crunchy and textured. Of course, you wouldn't want to probably use this on your actual floor, but since it's the wall hanging, I figured it would just be totally fine to spray the bottom portion of this. And the great thing is that you can totally spray this with any color you like and really have like a coordinating wall tapestry. And I absolutely love the way that this looks when it is hung up. So I gave it a good coating. I had to go over it multiple times just because it was kind of splotchy. And then this is the cleanest reveal ever. I was worried, but look at this. Okay. So that is what the bottom half of the rug looks like. And all you have to do to finish this off is just slip the dowel through the top portion, and then you're gonna mount the 2 wall brackets. And I just love how this is hung as opposed to a traditional tapestry. And this ended up costing